Snailax sent me this foot massager for my review, and if you have never tried a Snailax foot massager, you are truly missing out. These ones are some of my favorites. What I love about them is the fact that your whole foot is enclosed inside here, so it kind of just feels like there are a ton of hands just all around engulfing your feet, and it feels absolutely fantastic. They are super lightweight, which is really great, so that you can kind of bring them around into the different rooms in your house if you want to. All you need is just for it to be plugged in, obviously, and the controls up here, very simple. Power on, and then here are your buttons, and each of the buttons you've got your low, medium, and high, and you just have to click through. So I'm the kind of person who likes all of my things on high, so go through till you get to the blue light lighting it up. We've got our air compression, we've got our vibration, and then the heat is either you're on or you're off. So I believe this one means that the heat is on, but we're gonna check in a second. But yeah, right away, feels absolutely fantastic. You've got the kneading balls on the bottom of your feet. You've got that air compression going all the way around it. It is vibrating, and then you have that nice heat on top of that. These unzip as well. I'm sure you can see the zipper. It is kind of tucked in here. So as you can see, that zipper will completely unzip, and you can actually pull these out and wash them, which is fantastic because, you know, sometimes after a long day, you're just sticking your dirty feet in there and it feels so good, you can't even be bothered to wash them beforehand. So knowing that these can be clean, obviously, is fantastic.